Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled at the edge of a mystical forest, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily possessed a unique ability: she could communicate with animals. From the chattering squirrels to the wise old owls, they all shared their secrets and wisdom with her. One sunny morning, as Lily strolled through the forest, she noticed an injured fox limping by a shimmering waterfall. Concerned, she approached the fox and gently touched its fur. In that moment, she heard a faint whisper in her mind, a plea for help. Determined to aid her newfound friend, Lily embarked on a quest to find the rare heartleaf herb known to possess extraordinary healing properties. It was rumored to grow in the heart of the enchanted grove, a place guarded by mythical creatures and perplexing puzzles. With her loyal companions, a mischievous squirrel named Pip and a loyal rabbit named Thumper, by her side, Lily ventured into the depths of the enchanted grove. They encountered riddles posed by wise old tree spirits, crossed treacherous bridges, and braved the mysterious mist that shrouded the grove. As they neared the heart of the grove, Lily's resolve was tested. A majestic but fearsome creature, the guardian of the grove, challenged her to prove her worthiness. She was tasked with harmonizing the melodies of nature, an intricate combination of bird songs, rustling leaves, and babbling brooks. With her deep connection to the animal kingdom, Lily closed her eyes, allowing the melodies to flow through her. The guardian, sensing her pure heart and unwavering determination, granted her passage, revealing the sacred heartleaf herb. Returning to the injured fox, Lily carefully applied the herb to its wounds. Gradually, the fox's injuries healed, and its eyes sparkled with gratitude. News of Lily's remarkable abilities spread throughout the forest, and animals from far and wide sought her assistance. Word reached the ears of the town's wise elders, who recognized the importance of Lily's gift. They invited her to share her knowledge and experiences, establishing a sanctuary where humans and animals could coexist in harmony. The sanctuary thrived, becoming a place of learning, healing, and love for all creatures. Lily's legacy as the guardian of the animal kingdom endured for generations, inspiring others to appreciate the beauty and interconnectedness of all living beings. And as she grew older, Lily would often retreat to the enchanted grove, where she could still hear the whispers of the animals, reminding her of the extraordinary journey that had shaped her life. And so, the tale of Lily, the girl who could communicate with animals, lived on, enchanting the hearts of those who heard it, and reminding them that in the vast tapestry of life, every creature had a voice worth listening to. As the years passed, Lily's fame as the guardian of the animal kingdom grew. She became a respected figure not only in her town but throughout the neighboring regions. People would travel from far and wide to seek her guidance and learn from her unique bond with animals. Lily's sanctuary flourished, expanding to accommodate various species of animals, each with its own dedicated area where they could thrive and receive care. It became a place of wonder and education, where children and adults alike could immerse themselves in the wonders of the natural world. Lily continued to explore her abilities, pushing the boundaries of her communication with animals. Through her compassionate and patient nature, she discovered that she could not only understand their thoughts, but also share her own thoughts with them. It was as if a bridge had formed, connecting the human and animal realms in a profound and magical way. One day, news reached Lily that a distant land was plagued by an imbalance in nature. The once vibrant forests had withered, and the creatures living there were suffering. Lily knew that her unique talents could make a difference, so she embarked on a journey to restore harmony to the troubled land. Accompanied by a brave falcon named Zephyr and a wise turtle named Sage, Lily ventured far beyond the familiar borders of her town. Along the way, they encountered challenges and obstacles, testing their resolve and pushing their limits. They crossed vast deserts, trekked through dense jungles, and climbed towering mountains, always driven by the desire to bring healing and restoration. Finally, they reached the heart of the afflicted land, a place called the Forgotten Vale. The once lush and vibrant valley had turned into a desolate wasteland. Trees stood lifeless, rivers ran dry, and the animals had lost hope. Undeterred, Lily connected with the essence of the land, closing her eyes and listening to its silent cries. She could sense the imbalance, a disruption in the natural energy that sustained life. With the guidance of Zephyr and Sage, she began a ritual, channeling her inner strength and merging it with the power of the land. Through her connection with the animals, Lily rallied their spirits, inspiring them to join in the restoration effort. Birds sang melodies that carried hope, while ants and insects tirelessly worked to rejuvenate the soil. With each passing moment, the Forgotten Vale responded, the withered plants regaining their vibrant hues, and the animals recovering their vitality. News of Lily's miraculous feat spread like wildfire, reaching the far corners of the land. People marveled at her ability to heal not only individual creatures, but entire ecosystems. Inspired by her example, communities banded together to protect the environment, realizing that they too held the power to make a difference. Lily returned to her sanctuary, her heart filled with satisfaction. The animals she had met during her journey became lifelong friends, and they continued to visit her, sharing stories of their newfound happiness and the positive changes occurring in their lands. Years passed, and Lily's sanctuary became a symbol of hope and environmental stewardship. Many individuals followed in her footsteps, dedicating their lives to protecting and preserving the natural world. The ripple effect of Lily's actions reached beyond her own lifetime, leaving a legacy that would endure for generations to come. And so, the tale of Lily, the girl who could communicate with animals, became a timeless legend. Her story served as a reminder of the profound connection between humans and nature, urging all who heard it to cherish and protect the delicate balance of the world they shared. I hope you enjoyed the extended version of the story. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.